Austin from Tenji here today to talk about a local residential build that we did not too far from the showroom. This life support system is located outside the home in a custom built enclosure so we can keep noise to a minimum, humidity to a minimum, and it's really easy for us to access at any time. So we'll do a quick tour of the sump area. We start over here. Our two drains come into the filter sock chamber. This is a custom built PVC sump. It moves into the UV chamber next. We can tell that the UVs are on just by the light coming through here when our overhead light is off. And then these are powered by a ballast over here on the wall. Those LEDs actually tell us if the circuit is complete, and if a bulb or transformer has an issue, the LED goes out, we can service it immediately. After the UV chamber, we move over to our skimmer chamber. This skimmer does use a DC pump because we have to keep noise to a minimum in this system. The controller for the DC pump and also for our DC supply pumps are located on the wall here. After our skimmer chamber, we move over into the moving biological filter. This media basically replaces live rock in this system because the system uses a faux internal rock structure that we put corals on. On top of this chamber is our fluidized media reactor. We're currently running GFO, or granular ferric oxide, to help us control phosphates in the system. Next to the GFO reactor is our Neptune Systems Trident automated testing device. This unit tests the water several times per day, and it actually controls the Neptune dosing pumps, which help us keep coral building parameters stable. Underneath our Neptune Trident is our supply pump chamber. There are baffles hidden in here to help reduce micro bubbles, and then we have redundant supply pumps to make sure that the system is always receiving fresh water from the life support system. Out of our supply pumps, the plumbing is tied together and it feeds into a chiller system. Out of the chiller system, we go back into the wall and back to the display aquarium. We love this system and hope that everyone does too. Thanks for tuning in, guys.